Water is very cold. Oh, it's coming. We will be running when it comes. Okay? We'll be running from the water when it's cold. How we run from the water? You want to show Daddy how we run from the water?
Yeah.
Or go closer and then run?
No, I don't want him to get wet.
Just a little bit, just show. No, we don't go in the water, no.
Then we go down. Get close. No.
Hey, run back! Run back! It's big water! We have to be careful because it's very cold. We cannot get wet. No.
Not now.
Zima je vonku a studená voda, veľmi studená. Shell, but they are very dirty.
No, not now. You can't pick them
Your
up.
glass will be dirty. Come, we're gonna walk a little bit up there. Dobre? Eat boy your nose, hurry up. Okay. Tu coming, Nostiek? Helicopter?
Where is he? Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Look, there he is.
Wow.
See him?
Helicopter. Wow.
Want to wave? When he gets right here, we'll wave, okay?
Say hello, helicopter. What? What's water?